how to allow remixing on a video on your Instagram account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. First you will just go to Instagram, then open it. After this, as everyone know, when you open Instagram it will open automatically on home. You will go now to your profile, and on your profile you will go to the post that you wanna turn on remixing or allow to remixing. For example, this post, I will now go to this 3 point here, then go to allow remixing, then I will click allow remixing, and that's it. It will work with me. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in this channel. So see you next video.